You need to get snatched.
Hello friends. So as you can see, I am looking a little scraggly, a little rough. So I thought I would do a 180 transformation with you today, and I would just do my makeup, have a little chit chat. I made a new spring playlist. You could listen to it on Spotify. I have the
best taste in music. And everyone says that, but whenever I say it, it's just true.
Yes, so we're just gonna dive right into this makeup journey. I curled some pieces of my hair to make it look like I tried. But we're just gonna tuck those right in the back. And that is so cute. So just ignore the fact that I kind of look like a founding father without his like powdered wig on yet. Did that make any sense? Like that's any better. Alright, we're just gonna have you be very close to me. Hopefully I don't have anything in my teeth. So today it is a Monday, which I have Mondays off. It's a beautiful situation I got myself into. And now I never have a bad Monday. I only have bad Tuesdays. JK. So what's new in my life? Well, lately I've been trying to get a little more into makeup, doing some fun, crazy things because why not? It's just another way to express yourself, and usually I stick to the same routine, which is so valid, but also it's getting warmer outside and I just feel like being a little crazy. So actually I'm gonna just start off with some eyeshadow. I've been using a mixture between two palettes because I love the pink tones. Ooh. I have the Anastasia Modern Renaissance, and this is the Huda Beauty nude palette, and they're both gorge. So I'm just gonna go right in with that first so I don't get any fallout, and then I could just really go ham on the face afterwards. Side note, I usually never get eyeshadow primer because I ran out of it a long time ago, and I just thought, let's see how it goes not buying that anymore. And then every time I do my eyeshadow, it would look terrible 5 minutes into wearing it. And I decided to finally purchase it again, and I feel dumb for pushing it off for so long because eyeshadow primer really does make a difference. Should I zoom you really close in so you can see the full? Okay, so this is what we're doing. First, I'm just gonna go in with a nude shade and just slap that everywhere. So I got my nose pierced. I don't know if you could tell that. I've been wanting to get it done for a long time, and then I finally said, let's do it. And I got it done. And to be completely honest, I kind of blacked out a little bit. Like, as soon as I decided I wanted it, it was like tunnel vision to the tattoo shop? Parlor? Is that what it's called? Parlor? Shop? Yeah, we went to this place called Six Skulls Tattoo Shop in the Lower East Side. So, very grungy, very fluffy, very Portuguese. Honestly, if you want to get your nose pierced, just do it. Everyone always freaks out about the pain of it, but pain is just the gain. How that saying goes. No pain, no gain. Am I right, sisters? Honestly, it looks scarier watching it from the outside than it does actually getting it done to yourself, because you see like the needle and all what's happening, but in reality, whenever you're getting it done to yourself, you just see like hands in your face, and then you feel a pain, and then it's over. It's so quick. You could probably just stick in some AirPods and listen to a podcast, close your eyes, and before you know it, it'll be over. It's what I did. Just kidding. We're just gonna zoom you out a little bit. you are a OG subscriber, then you know that back in the day, my only videos were like beauty tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials. It was a full thing. I would do all sorts of crazy looks, and now I just slap on a little tinted moisturizer, some brows, I do some highlighter and some lipstick or some lip gloss, and then I'm good to go. So, trying to just dive back into my old fun days where I used to do some cute looks. So I think I'm going to title this video something like from going from not to hot, because as you can see, this is not me looking very cute.
It's like cute, but kind of in a sad way.
Alright, we're back to this weird angle. Can't tell which one I like better. So whenever doing eyeshadow, I just kind of mash a bunch of colors together and hope for the best. I kind of feel like that's what all makeup artists do though. Not that I'm a makeup artist. I just kind of had this epiphany that I'm not really good at doing makeup. Because I've always had this idea for some reason that I'm like really good at makeup. I guess I'm okay at it, but definitely not really good at it. I don't know who gave me the right to say that, but it's fine. Alright, we're just gonna leave that like that for right now. Then we're gonna dive back into my face makeup. So I've been using the Lancome Skin Feels Good Healthy Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow. I just said that so wrong. Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow. Very good, healthy glow, hydrating skin, feels good glow.
Where's my sponge? There it is.
So lately I've just, oh my god, the construction started and I didn't even realize. Sorry about the construction, let's not talk about it. Never do my eyes first and then do my face makeup. This is kind of weird. So lately I've been more active on my Twitter just because, I don't know, I would always go on it. Like I would like things and retweet stuff, but I would never remember that I could make my own tweets. I just never really considered it for me. But lately I just was like, I thought of a good thing to say, I guess, and I was like, oh, I guess I could use this. So I've been on it a little bit more. So you can follow me. I'm at Lauren Kammerer on Twitter. I think that's just where where my name is on everything. Follow my Spotify, my Instagram, my Twitter, or don't. See if I care. Alright, now I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. I go very light on this because this stuff is potent.
She's potent.
Color. Now I'm going to go in with a little bronzer. It actually is very little, and this is the Becca Bronze Body Soleil. Voodoo in the wrong hands. We're just gonna carve them cheeks. Michelangelo whom? We're far from the chocolate cloud into the chocolate. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel, and this is the shade Caramel. Turns out I've been using the wrong shade of dip brow my whole life. Yeah, I've been using dark brown when in reality I'm a caramel. And so far I like this product, but it's a little difficult to use sometimes. Like it could get really messy, so you have to go after or in and clean it up afterwards. If you have like sparse brows, then it's no bueno. And then you go in with a little concealer. Try to carve it a bit. Alright, going back into the eyes. We're gonna be doing a little gradient under eye. Okay, so this is either a look or it looks like I have pink eye. Make no judgments yet. The look is not finished. My eyes have begun to water because apparently I have sensitive eyes or something. Now we're gonna go in with some glow, some highlighter. So I like to use the Glow palette from Anastasia, and I've been working on this palette for a couple years now, so it's treated me well. And I just kind of like dab into all of the colors and put it everywhere. Alright, so we've added the glitter. So this is what we're working with so far. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush. Usually I don't wear blush, but I decided to get this one from Becca. It's called Flower Child. Here is the color. She's beautiful. It's a lot. Yikes. Okay, we're just gonna dab. Oh. Now lately to do my eyeliner, I just use eyeshadow actually. So I usually go in with this dark brown color, and I go in with a little angled brush, and you will see my tactic. Let's just get real close here. I just kind of fill in the ends of my lash line and then just kind of flick it up and then connect it down like it's a wing, but it looks a lot more natural. Just like that, do like a little flick. And that is how I do that. I have a little fallout. Fallout girl. Alright, so it makes a little flick action. And it looks kind of weird until I put mascara on. Then it kind of wraps it all together. Or at least that's what I like to think. Lately I've been using the Milk Kush mascara, and this is so good. Like, everyone talks about it, and it's for a reason, because it's a really nice mascara. And I just bought the little sample size, but I heard that this is gonna last me a long time. Also, it smells like cinnamon to me. I don't know if that's normal. Look at that. These lashes do not lie. Now we're gonna move on to the lips. Also, a side note. So I used to have a little eyelash curler that I would use before I do mascara every single time. And it broke, so I stopped using it. But I have noticed tremendous growth with my stopping and using the eyelash curler, which, I mean, I guess that makes sense because clamping your eyelashes every single day like that seems a little aggressive, but I stopped doing it and now my eyelashes are just like, so I don't think I'm ever gonna buy one of those again. I wonder if we should do a pink lip. I don't know. I don't know about all that. So I'm gonna be using my Aquarius lippy pencil. This is ColourPop. I use it. It's like my only lip pencil. Ew, my lips look gross. You had to look at me just like.
These things look dry as hell. Let's put some chapstick there.
Alright, so the lip gloss I put on is the Bite Beauty Dirty Chai lip gloss. And I think that this is my finished look.
Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead and let your head down.
Why do I look like that guy Chad from Cinderella Story? No matter what I do, I always just like have a hint of Chad.
I look like him, but like from Freaky Friday. Love that for me.
Alright, so now I'm gonna put in some earrings to spice things up. Let's see what we got over here in the jewelry department. So lately I bought these huge hoops from ASOS. And they're kind of heavy, but yeah, also I was not expecting them to be this big, but it's fine. I still like them. And then also, like, look, they're kind of weighing down my earlobes. Makes me look weak. Alright, this is the finished look. Go from not to Chad Michael Murray.
I watched you get undressed. I must have turned bright red, cause I liked what I saw. Maybe we should just tell me how you feel about me. Do you like a line like me? Tell me what you really feel. Do you like me? Just say you do. Me, do you like a line like me? Tell me.
Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed and maybe learned how to do a healthy pink eye. I do not have pink eye, but yes, I have a pink eye. So I guess I'll do a modeling montage for you.
Get the Lauren look.
Alright, now this is just turning into a vlog of some sort. So here is the finished look. We've already discovered this though. Thumbs this video up if you think that I should do a Chad Michael Murray. Is that his name? I think so. Thumbs this video up if you think I should do a Chad Michael Murray makeup tutorial, and I will do one specifically for him. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed me getting a little bit snatched today. It doesn't happen every day, but I like to record it whenever it does to document the good times. Alright, bye guys. See you in my next one.
Bye.